GameGuardian is a GameGuardian API function used to retrieve the current values stored in specific memory addresses. After performing a memory search or manually specifying memory addresses, this function can be used to extract the current data stored at those addresses. It is commonly used to work with values that have already been identified either through searches or direct access to specific memory locations. Once values are retrieved, they can be manipulated, modified, or printed for further analysis. The function returns a table which contains the current values and additional details from the memory locations specified in the input table. Each element in the return table contains the keys, address, value, and flags. The first line initiates a memory search for the number 10 with a data type of dword. GameGuardian will scan the memory for this value and store the results internally. The next line retrieves the first 5 results found in the memory after searching for the number 10. The results will include memory addresses and initial values but will not refresh the current values yet. Next, our code takes the memory addresses from the results, R, and refreshes the values at those addresses. This is useful because values in memory can change over time and we want the current values from those addresses. We use the print function to display the first 5 results stored in the table R. The getValues function retrieves memory addresses and their corresponding values, and each result is stored as an entry in the R table. These results have 3 key pieces of information: the memory address, the current value stored at that memory address, and flags, the data type of the value. T with bracket notation 1 and T with bracket notation 2 are entries in a table called T. Each entry is an individual table that contains keys such as address, value, and flags. When you access T with bracket notation 1, you are accessing a single entry that holds the details of one search result. Specifically, this is the first result found in memory. Similarly, when you access T with bracket notation 2, you are getting the details of the second search result. This code will print the details of the first and second search results individually. Each result contains information about a single memory address and its current value. The getValues function is essential for retrieving current values from specific memory addresses in GameGuardian. It allows users to access and manipulate game data in real time, enabling them to modify gameplay, enhance user experience, and debug applications efficiently.